Action.
Hi entrepreneurs, I just wanted to make this video to explain this week's assignment. So this week's assignment is actually me reposting an assignment that I posted about 3 weeks ago, business plan outline. So the reason why I'm reposting this is because only 3 students completed this assignment, and it's going to be probably your most important assignment for 4th quarter for actually this entire class. And it will be your first grade for 4th quarter. So I want to make sure that everybody understands that it needs to be done. Okay? So you're going to come on over to my Chromebook and I'm going to show you how to do it. So here we are on the business math page. And as you can see, I posted an assignment. And it was from week 1 of our project-based learning experience. So you're going to go ahead and click it. There's several steps to the directions, but the first step says to answer the following questions in complete, detailed sentences. No 1 or 2 word answers. So let me model an example for you. If we go down to question number 1, it says, what type of business do you want to start? Will you offer a service, product, or both? Because this is a complete sentence, you should start your answer out by snapping this sentence. So I'm going to write the type of business that I want to start is, and you're going to answer that. I know I've been giving you guys the analogy, if I was going to start my business, it would be a cupcake business. So I'm actually going to run through this if I was starting a cupcake business. So the type of business that I want to start is a cupcake business that will offer a service and a product. The service will be custom cupcakes made to order. The product that I will be selling will be cupcakes. Remember, we talked about before this whole pandemic started, when we were still meeting in classes, we talked about goods versus services and what you're going to be selling. And like me, you can sell both. So do you see how my answer is complete and I have details? You're going to do that for every single question here, and most of them are pretty self-explanatory. The only question that might be a little tricky is question number 12. I want you guys to notice question number 12 is called anticipated expenses. And about 2 weeks ago, I assigned a project for the week, and it was called anticipated expenses. And it walked you through how to figure out the anticipated expenses for your business. So in order to answer number 12, you might need to go back and do that assignment. So let's talk about question number 12. It says, what will you have to purchase prior to opening your business to get your business started? Again, if I was going to answer this, I'm going to snap this question. In order to get my business, I'll say cupcake business started, I will need to purchase, and then I'm going to list all the things that I might need to purchase. So I'm going to need a building. I'm going to need 2 commercial size ovens. I'm going to need cupcake decorating tools. And again, I'm going to go on and list all the things that I'm going to need. Now, the purpose of the anticipated expenses assignment from a couple weeks ago was to make you guys look up what each of these things that you're going to list would cost and then find the total cost. Okay, so that's why that assignment helped you get this answer. So again, if you didn't do the anticipated expenses assignment, you should go back and do that now before you do this so you can answer this question better. Now, when I went and did that, I found out that all these things would cost a total of $245,000. So that's what I got when I added up my grand total for if I was to buy a brand new building, or if I was to buy, actually it was a building that was listed on the real estate right now, and if I was to buy these ovens and the cupcake decorating tools and so on. Okay, so that's the kind of answer I'm looking for that. Now you're answering all these sentences or questions in complete sentence. Now step number 2 says to submit the assignment on Google Classroom. So you guys have a different button up here. Your guys' button says turn in, okay? So you would go ahead and you would turn in this assignment. Then step number 3 says Mrs. I will return it to you with suggestions. Make these edits to your business plan. I'm guessing some of us will have some typos or maybe some sentences that need rewording. I'll go in and make those edits for you, and I will return it to you. And you just have to hit accept to the edits that I make. Step 4, once you've edited your business plan, delete these instructions and the questions, leaving only the headings and your answers to the questions. Each section should be in paragraph form. All right, guys, if you notice, I have usually 2 to 3 questions per section. Do you see how this section is called the vision section? So once I answer my complete sentences, you send it to me, I give you feedback, and you make that feedback. You are then going to go back in and delete the question part, delete the instruction part, so the only thing left will be your answers, and it will be in paragraph form. And then under mission statement, you will, once you delete the questions, you will have only your answers left, and it will be a paragraph. Now the last thing you're going to really need to do before you submit the final version is to put the name of your business at the top. So I'm going to write the name of my business. Mrs. Inzalaco's Cupcake Shop. So I know there are a lot of steps to this, but this is really the biggest, most important project for this class. So that's why it's important that you do it correctly. Don't forget, you can always talk to me on my office hours every day. If you saw on our page, every day I am available Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 2:30 to 3. So every day, if you click that website, that URL right there, you will see me patiently waiting on my computer for students to come onto the video chat and ask me questions. Please use me, because I'm really lonely when I'm sitting there all by myself in a video meeting. So please ask me if you have any questions. All right, you guys, hope everybody's staying safe and healthy, and please get this assignment done.